Hello guys, it is Adrian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a bunch of hoops that I recently got for under rupees 200. Like I got 18 hoops for under rupees 200. So I will be showing you guys all the hoops and also giving you like style tips on how you can style them. And I will be also showing you guys each piece. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first set that we have is this set right here, and the first hoop is missing. I am wearing this right now. It is a simple small gold hoop and it is very minimal, so you could literally pair it with jeans and use it on a daily basis. Like just wear jeans and a t-shirt and you are good to go. Next we have a 2-layered gold hoop. Now this is bold. You can wear it for date nights or you can like create office power looks with this particular earring. Next we have a chunky purple acrylic hoop, and this is a very playful hoop actually, like because it's in a pastel color, so you could pair it with vacation outfits, any colorful outfits, and it is literally Y2K coded. So if you like creating fun looks, you are all about being colorful with your outfits, this will go really well. Next up we have a twisted gold hoop. Now this is very chic, so you could wear it for dinner dates or you could pair it with a satin skirt and a satin top, would look really nice. Next we have a polished gold chunky hoop. Here, it's right here, and this is such a bold piece, so you could wear it for like dinner dates. You can wear a blazer and a sleek ponytail with this one, will look good. Next we have a pink chunky hoop. So this is very playful again. It's in a light pink color, so you could wear it on vacation outfits or like if you do a lot of girly looks, it would look really nice, and it is also super trendy. So moving forward, we have the second set, and this is the set. So first right here we have a geometric hoop, so it's in the shape of a half square. It is edgy chic, it is fashion forward, and it'll really go with like cord sets. Next piece we have right here is a very chunky gold hoop, so it has thick rounded edges, so it is a very bold earring piece in itself, like monochromatic looks or a little black dress and like bold lips, because the rest of the talking these earrings are gonna do. Next up we have two pieces that are already there. So one is this one but in a medium size, and the other one is the twisted hoop, so I've already spoken about it. Then we have an elegant pearl hoop. So now these are elegant, they are delicate. You can literally pair it with saris, kurtas, anything you want, wear it to weddings. And also the perfect place to wear a hoop earring, pearl hoop earring, is the beach side. So if you're going to vacation near the beach side, wear this. Also you could pair it with nice dresses when you go on brunch dates. And I wake up at 1 o'clock, so in my life I don't think I'll ever have a brunch, but if I do, I'm gonna wear these. Next up we have a textured medium sized hoop. So now it's not just a simple hoop, it is layered, like it has that coil. So these are pretty bold chic earrings. You could wear it on night outs and with party dresses. If you're not wearing anything, like you don't have any accessories, you're just wearing a black bodycon dress and then you just put on these earrings, you don't need anything else. Okay, here I have the last set, and the first earring in this last set is the butterfly earrings. Now it is in two colors, a pastel and a golden. It's been trending since few years now. Like, these earrings are everywhere, every street, every shop, every website. Okay, these earrings are literally everywhere. It gives a very youthful vacation type of vibe, and you could literally pair it with like summer dresses or when you're going on picnics, casual tees, anywhere. And if you have like extra piercings, these would look really nice with those piercings as well. I have a piercing right here which is closed, so I can't try it, but I know for a fact these butterfly earrings look really good on piercings. So yeah, you could style it that way too. Next we have a really chunky green hoop. Like it falls in the category of edgy aesthetic, and this gives a very fun, trendy, playful vibe. The more street style wear accessory. You can also pair it with colorful outfits. Next we have a repeated pearl hoop. So again, elegant, delicate. You can wear it with saris and all of that. Then we have a chunky green hoop. Now this is similar to the one in pink that we had. It's again more on the trendy, funny picnic vibe. It would also look really nice with a full white outfit, like you're wearing top to bottom white, and then you just add this for the pop-off color. Would look really nice. It is definitely a Y2K inspo. Like this one and this one, they are more towards the Y2K aesthetic side, like that kind of inspo. Then again we have another repeated earring, but this one is in the size L. It's a bit larger. It is again a textured hoop. It's not like a simple plain hoop, and this screams glam night outs. It screams full sleek back black outfit, and this bomb. That's where you drop the bomb. So okay, you guys, so with that being said, that is all the earrings that I got. Now I got 18 earrings for under rupees 200, out of which 2-3 are repeated, which is totally fine. Main thing is the set of earrings that I have, they have variety. So for every other thing, every other occasion, you have one or the other earring fixed. So you could literally just pick. You're sorted for the earrings part. Even though you don't have the outfit ready, you have the earrings ready. And I really do want to style these earrings, but the thing is, I don't have all of my clothes here. Like, it's back in Mangalore, so I have very few clothes here, and I don't really think it's possible for me to style these outfits with those clothes, but I'll still try. I have no idea what this phone wants from me. Every time I record a video, there is no storage. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any queries or whatever, links, anything, just comment it down below and I will make sure I provide the links to you guys. And yeah, that is all for today's video, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Bye.